So guys, suppose we have several pictures and we want to make a slideshow with these pictures. Let's select them and bring them to the timeline. But if we zoom in, you can see that each image is around 5 seconds long. If we want to reduce the length of each image one by one, this will take a lot of time. So what's our solution for that? Go to the menu, then Settings. Under Edit, we have Image Duration. Now, suppose we want each image to have a 2-second duration. Change the image duration to 2 seconds. Also, if we click on this drop-down, we have another option like Frame. If we choose Frame instead of Second, the picture will follow the frame count for its duration. Our frame rate is 30 FPS, so let's put 15 and save it. Now, each image will take half a second because each second has 30 frames. Select all of them and bring them to the timeline. We have 5 images, so that will be 2 seconds and 15 frames. So guys, that's how easily we can change the duration of imported images in CapCut. Thanks for watching. Putting this video together took some time, so if you'd like to support me, you can do so for free by subscribing, liking the video, and sharing it with others. Your support means a lot.